This one industry is booming in India and the government is giving massive subsidies to invite more players. Well, till about 4 years ago, 80% of all toys in the country used to be imported. And just in a matter of 3 years, 85% of all toys now are domestically manufactured. Why? Because the government tripled the custom duty on import of toys. Not just that, they're actually setting up 8 clusters in different zones of the country to promote manufacturing and export of toys. These clusters are in UP, Karnataka, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh. And what is the government giving you? 30% of your fixed asset investment is being returned to you as a subsidy. 50% of your rent being spent on office and facilities here is being returned. There is an interest rate subsidy of 5% if you take loan to set up a facility. Not just that, there is actually a reduction in the electricity power rate that you will pay in these manufacturing facilities. Well, this industry is booming and the real white space is actually in electronic toys to teach math and science to kids. I've given many more details in the description. Share it with someone who may need it.